Morning children. I hope all are keeping fine. Now I am Leela Miss. I am going to take mathematics class for class 3 children. I hope all of you have done the homework I have given you. School PTA, word problem school PTA. Did you do that? I hope you have done it. Please do the homework punctually. Then that school PTA, you have to find out the total number of people came for the PTA meeting. No, 107 men and 270 women came for the meeting. Then you have to find out the total number of people came for the meeting. What did you do? Did you add the two numbers 107 plus 270? Did you get the answer? Please check the answer. Before starting our class, every day you must take your textbooks open and keep your notebook, pencil, etc. Get ready for the class, then only you open the video. Okay. Then today, again we have to do another word problem, page number 32. Take your textbook, page number 32 and read the question. I will read the question once. Abu bought vegetables for rupees 455 and sold it for rupees 600. Fruits were purchased for rupees 415 and were sold for rupees 600. For purchasing these items, how much did Abu pay? What is the total amount Abu got after the sale? We have to answer two questions. Abu, one man, bought vegetables for rupees 445 and sold it. Sold means milk. Sold it for rupees 600. He gave only 445 rupees for vegetables, but after that he sold it for rupees 600. He got more money, no? Okay. Then he bought fruits. Fruits were purchased. What is the meaning of purchase? Buy. He bought. Purchase means buy. Purchased what? Vangi. For rupees 450. And he sold that fruits again for rupees 600. Again he got more money than he spent. മുടക്കിയതിനേക്കാൾ കൂടുതൽ പൈസ വിറ്റപ്പോൾ കിട്ടി. Then we have to find out for purchasing these items, for purchasing these vegetables and fruits, how much did Abu pay? എത്ര തുക അബു കൊടുത്തു? To purchase, to buy these two things, vegetables and fruits, how much money he paid? See, look here. You must write down the question from page number 32 in your notebook. Then only you write the statements or steps. I have written the steps here. Abu bought. You write the question. Amount. Amount means money. Tuga. Amount that Abu paid for purchasing vegetables is equal to how much? Rupees 445. Then amount he paid for fruits. Amount he paid for buying fruits, rupees 450. Then total amount he paid for vegetables and fruits. You have to find out the total amount Abu paid to buy vegetables and fruits. How to find out? You know that to find the total amount we have to add the numbers. To find the total amount, we have to add the given numbers. Okay, we will find out. Total amount we have to find out is rupees 445. Cost of vegetables plus rupees 415. Cost of fruits. Cost Floors means villa. Then here we are adding 445 plus 450. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. In 10, 0, 1 and 110. No? Then you have to give that 110 to tens place. I gave the 110 here. Then you add again. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus carry over 1, 110 also 6. Then 4 plus 4, 8. Total amount he spent is 860 rupees. Understand? Then again, we have to find out how much money he got after selling. Again, he sold these vegetables to another person. His fruits and vegetables to another persons. Then we have to find out selling price. Sell because selling price. Price means villa of vegetables is equal to selling price of vegetables is equal to 660 rupees. Then amount price of fruits he sold. Price means villa. Price means villa. Price of fruits. Fruits you know. He sold is equal to how much? 600 rupees. Then total amount Abu got after the sale of vegetables. He sold the vegetables he purchased and the fruits he purchased. Then we have to find out the total amount he got after selling all vegetables and fruits. Total amount he got. Is equal to how much? You have to add these two amounts he got. 660 rupees plus 600 rupees. Then you have to add here 660 plus 600 rupees. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 0, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Is equal to 1,260 rupees. Got it? Okay? Then you have to write another working also there. Write the next numbers. In the textbook, page 32, you see, write the next numbers. I will show first number 10, next number 30, 50, 70 like that. 10 plus 20, 30. 30 plus 20, 50. 50 plus 20, 70. No. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 70 plus 20, 90. 90 plus 20, 110. 110 plus 20, 130. Like that, you add the add 20 and write the numbers, increasing by 20. I will give the examples and I will send you to complete that table. Okay. Today, now it is time to end our class. We will do it. Rest of the next class we will do the rest of the problem. Okay. Thank you.